Colombian pop star Shakira has reached a settlement in her tax fraud case in Barcelona. She will pay a fine and avoid prison time. This is Catalan news in 100 seconds. Shakira faced more than 8 years in prison and a fine of 23 million euros for defrauding the state of over 14 million euro in taxes between 2012 and 2014. She initially claimed she did not live in Catalonia at the time, but after coming to an agreement with prosecutors, she paid 7 million euros in fines.
Señora Guevara, me imagino que usted ya ha tenido conocimiento a través de sus letrados de lo que implica este escrito.
Sí.
Pedro Sánchez's socialist-led government will have 22 ministries, with 12 women and 5 positions for the junior coalition partners, Sumar. All 4 vice presidents were part of the last term's cabinet, including Yolanda Díaz, the leader of Sumar. Former Barcelona mayor Jordi Hereu will be the new industry minister, and Ernest Urtasun, now member of the European Parliament, will take on the role of culture minister.
Es una legislatura de alto perfil político y debemos contar con un equipo a la altura, un equipo de alto perfil político, un gobierno solvente, un gobierno sólido.
Catalonia will create a network of support to prevent gender-based violence, including a button on public transport apps and training for staff in shopping centers. The project is called Punt Lila or Purple Point and has a budget of 43 million euros.
Que impulsarem punts liles arreu del territori, que introduirem un botó lila als transports públics, que estendrem el sistema de parades a demanda dels autobusos.
Rural women are taking the leadership in a male-dominated industry. Over 150 women farmers gathered to debate drought, climate crisis and water management.